Hi, this is Amit Garg. As an unlearning coach and a mind programming trainer, I've been training leaders of some of the biggest organizations like Maruti Suzuki, India Post Payment Bank, Universal Sompo, etc. And many of these leaders are regularly using these techniques and taking benefits from them. So, how to reduce digital fatigue? So, the first step is we have to increase our energy levels through regular exercise, meditation, and breathing exercises because continuous laptop and other devices usage depletes our energy levels. And as the day progresses, we start feeling more and more fatigue. Now, what gives us energy? So, two things which give us maximum energy are good sleep and deep breathing. So whenever we are need to re-energize ourselves, these are two good exercises. But during the day, what are the other best practices that we can use to keep our energy levels always high? So they include regular exercise. Regular exercise for at least 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes minimum daily is very important because they not only regular exercise not only stimulates all the body parts like heart, liver, kidney, etc. They also cleanse our lungs because we use only 20% of normal lung capacity during regular day-to-day living. So when we exercise, because we become short of breath, the entire air of the lungs get cleansed, and that is why for the entire day we can feel energized. Meditation is the again very powerful technique to keep us always energized because meditation relaxes us mentally and it has very beneficial physical effects. For example, the production of white blood cells, platelets increase when we do meditation, plus a host of other benefits. Breathing exercises, like I said, deep breathing gives us a lot of energy. So, breathing exercises daily in the morning will help us keep ourselves energized throughout the day. The more we have light diet like diet which is easier to digest. You'll notice that when we take a chapati, it takes us maybe 2-3 hours and we start feeling hungry again. But when we take fruits, we start feeling hungry in an hour, 45 minutes or an hour, because body digests fruits very fast. So the more raw diet that we have, more fruits, salad, fresh juices, nuts and dry fruits, the body will lose less energy in digesting them and energy levels will be higher. Plus all the other benefits like vitamins, minerals, which we get from having fruits or raw diet. Then we should sleep early so that we get good sleep, and we should avoid social media and news, especially at night, and very importantly, at least 30 minutes before going to sleep so that our mind can start preparing to go to sleep. So we should also go to sleep early so that we get proper sleep. And to do that, we should avoid social media, news, etc. At night, especially 30 minutes before going to sleep, because this way we'll prepare our mind to go to sleep early. Lastly, we should take out some time for ourselves every day and also every week.